Hello everyone! In this scripting tutorial, we are going to talk about functions and why they are useful overall in programming. Let's get into it. So in order to create a function, we first have to create a script in Workspace. You can put it anywhere you want. Name the script function so you can look it up again if you forget what a function is. So basically, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task and can be reused throughout your script. So the key word of making a function is the word function. It's better to use the word local. I explained what local is in my previous tutorial, then name the function you want to use. It can literally be any name that you can think of, but in this case, we are going to name it print ABC because we are putting print statements inside. After we name the function, we use open parenthesis and close parenthesis and press enter. And you will see that there is the word end, so we can put the code we want inside the function before the end. I suggest you check out my previous tutorials before coming here. So inside the function, we are going to add the print statements inside. Functions also allow you to group together a set of instructions that can be executed whenever needed, making your scripts more organized, modular, and efficient. If we hit play, we can see in the output that nothing is showing up, which is because we didn't call the function in order for it to work. And the way we are going to do that is by simply writing the name of our function in the opening and closing parenthesis. 2 lines after our code, we will call the function, and you will see that in the output, the print statements we added into our functions are printed out. A, B, and C are printed out. You can call your function as many times as you want, and in this case, it's going to print A, B, and C 3 times because we called it 3 times. As you can see in the output, the function got printed 3 times because we called it 3 times. And every time you call a function, it's going to run that code, the amount of times you call it. Now let's try changing our baseplate's transparency using a function. We are first going to make a reference to our baseplate using variables. If you don't understand what a variable is, check out my variables tutorial. We will do the same function as we did before, but we are changing the name of our function to anything we want, and we are going to change the code inside it. We are going to add the reference to our base plate, then dot transparency, which makes a part transparent equal to 0.5. You can make it 1 so it becomes full transparent. If we hit play again, we will see that the transparency of the base plate didn't change because we didn't call it. So again, down the function, we are adding the name of our function in the opening and closing parenthesis, as we did before, and we will see that the transparency of the base plate changed to 0.5. That's basically what functions do. They are blocks of reusable code that perform a specific task or action, and they organize your codes and makes your scripts easier to read. Please let me know in the comments how I did and if you understood the concept of functions. In the next tutorial, we will talk about parameters. Thanks for watching and goodbye.